around here.
You're telling me.
Me too, man.
Oh, wow. Will you look at all that trash?
Well, I'll be. That's why the marsh is flooding.
Yeah, the fresh water's coming in from the stream, but it's blocked from going out by the trash. Oh, this is so gross. All this trash is really bad for the marsh.
Well, don't forget the muck.
Help, 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 help.
Hear ye. Never again shall a lizard get stuck in a bottle or piles of garbage block up the marsh. We must clean up this place now
And save the marsh.
and save the muck. Tally-ho! It's go time!
No more littering in the marsh. See? We're letting everyone know.
Good day, garbage man, sir. The water! It flows! We did it! Ah, now this is what I call a healthy marsh.
It's really beautiful.
Yep, it sure is. Never looked better.
Hey, Marvin! Hey, Squeaks! Buster! Oh, Harold! Mary! Zazu! Welcome home!
It's great to be home. Oh, there is so much life here. I love this marsh. Wait, pal, no, heel, no! No, sorry, Nature Cat. It's all right, Hal. Muck is A-OK with me.
You're not so bad yourself, Nature Cat. Thanks again for saving the marsh.
Anytime, Cousin Marvin.